Dear Divine Feminine, I know you are hurt and you want to end this separation. Even I want the same. You know, you are the most beautiful person I ever met in my life. You are just like a beautiful angel. Staying away from you is hurting me too. Every night before going to sleep, I always think about you. You are the first thing on my mind when I wake up and last when I go to bed. I know in real I am not with you physically, but our souls are connected. You know why I am not taking stress about our reunion? Because I have faith on universe. I know our connection is protected by universe and angels. You believe on universe and I believe on you, on our love. This separation sometimes kills me because people around you try to flirt with you. You are so attracted. I feel jealous. But I hope you will understand this jealous is also part of my love for you. Because you are only mine and I cannot share you with anyone. You know why I avoid you? Why I ignore you? Because you are a diamond and I want to hide you from everyone. Before I was quite afraid of losing you. But now I am damn sure that you are only mine. No one can take you away from me. But my love, why you trigger me? You know, you are the only person who knows my weakness. Then why you make me feel like I did wrong to you, like I hurt you? I know I hurt you, but I was insecure. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I will never hurt you again, ever in my entire life. Please trust me. I cannot see you sad. I love the way you smile. Whatever I am doing right now, I'm doing for both of us, for our future. I'm also human. If you have dreams, I also have regarding our future. I want to give everything to our kids, which we did not receive because of our financial situation when we were kids. Please have some patience and just trust me. Whenever you feel low, just put your hand on your heart and feel me. I am inside you. I can hear you. I will answer all your questions you have one day. I will tell you each and everything. We are not separate from each other. I know we are twin flames. When you used to tell me, I did not believe. But when you left me, then I realized our connection is very different from my past connections. You are very unique. With the passing of every single day, my love keeps on increasing for you. I want to spend my whole life with you. Please trust me. I will contact you soon. Take care. Your love, Divine Masculine.